Still don't see him.
He's right in front of you. It's Lightning McQueen.
He's obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey.
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
Use that!
Whoa. Oh, yeah, I see. I can use that energy for motivation, right?
It's all about motivation, Mr. McQueen. You can use anything negative as fuel to push through to the positive.
Well, I've been pretty positive ever since I was a rookie.
I am so excited that I get to train you. I grew up watching you on TV.
Huh. Is that right?
These young guys are great and all, but I like a challenge.
I'm not that much older,
In fact,
but...
I call you my senior project. We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward, and rest. And forward, and rest. Join me, rest. And rest.
Is all this resting necessary?
We're working you in slowly. And reach for your lunch.
Okay, when do
Reach for your lunch. Now reach
Shouldn't we
to
be...
the front. What is there?
I don't think
It's
this
your
is...
lunch. Now backwards. Is lunch there?
When do we go on the simulator?
Good morning, Mr. McQueen. Looking good.
Ah! Why?
This'll get oil to places it hasn't been in a long time.
Is that a drip pan?
Just in case.
How old do you think I am?
Visualize yourself driving fast down a steep hill. I'll be back in a few.
Visualize. Wait, Cruz? A few what? I just want to go on the simulator.
How's it hanging? Drip pad. What's up?
Okay, day 3, treadmill. I've set a maximum speed to conserve your energy. What I want you to do is visualize beating this guy.
Storm.
Uh-huh, that's right. Get him. Get him, Mr. McQueen.
Get him? This thing's only going like 5 miles an hour.
We'll work up to the higher speeds right after you take your nap.
Nap? I need a nap?
Hit him with the bugs.
I am not taking a nap.
How was your nap, Mr. McQueen?
It was kind of refreshing, actually. Oh!
Okay, what are you...
Hey!
You've been driving on tires a long time. Have you ever stopped to get to know them?
I'm sorry, what?
Tires are individuals. You should give each a name.
Name them. I won't be doing that.
Mine are named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can go on the simulator, please?
Name them.
Lefty, righty, backy, Jr., okay?
Does this make you mad?
Yes, it does!
Use that and merge and yield. And merge and yield. Beep, 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 beep. Now you got some tire damage. Speed bump. Speed bump. Now clean up your messy garage. Bug in the windshield. Bug in the windshield.
Thank you,
And merge
Cruz. I'm
and
done.
yield. And merge. Mr. McQueen, where are you going?
Okay, here we go. Here we go! How do I do this? Come on, baby.
Mr. McQueen.
Cruz, thank you for the old man training, as crazy as it was. But I'm warmed up enough, and now I need you to launch this thing.
Mr. McQueen, wait until you can handle it, please. There are no shortcuts.
Okay, we'll just see about that.
All right, my star racer is on the simulator.
Why, yes, I am.
Well, let's see you take it out for a spin.
Right away, Mr. Sterling. Owner of the company.